Hey there, little explorers! Are you ready for an amazing adventure in the sky? Whoa! Have you ever seen something so magical in the sky that makes you go, wow? Today, we're going on an amazing adventure to discover the secret behind rainbows. Get ready, because rainbows are way cooler than you think. Let's go! So, what is a rainbow? Is it magic? Let's find out. First, you need sunshine. The sun sends out something special called light. Next, you need rain. Tiny water drops falling from the clouds. When sunshine and rain meet at the same time, something incredible happens. The sunlight goes into the tiny water drops in the air. Inside the water drop, the light bends and bounces around like a super ball. And here's the cool part. The white light breaks into 7 beautiful colors. These colors come out and make a colorful arc in the sky. That's your rainbow. Let's meet the rainbow colors. First is red, like strawberries and fire trucks. Next is orange, like juicy oranges and pumpkins. Then comes yellow, bright and sunny, like bananas and the sun. After that is green, like grass, trees, and yummy broccoli. Then we have blue, like the ocean and the big, beautiful sky. Next is indigo. It's like a deep, dark blue. Very mysterious. And last is violet, like pretty purple flowers and grapes. Put them all together, and you get ROYGBIV. Can you say that with me? Here's a fun way to remember. Richard of York gave battle in vain. Rainbows usually show up right after it rains when the sun comes back out. Cool fact, you need the sun to be behind you to see a rainbow. Did you know? Rainbows are actually full circles, but we usually only see half. Sometimes you can see 2 rainbows. The second one has colors in reverse order. You can make your own rainbow. Just spray water from a hose with the sun behind you. Stand with your back to the sun, spray the water, and boom! Your own rainbow! You can also use a special triangle called a prism to split light into colors. Even CDs and bubbles can make tiny rainbows when light hits them just right. You can spot rainbows near waterfalls, fountains, and even on wet grass. There's no pot of gold at the end, but the rainbow itself is the treasure. Here's something funny. You can never reach the end of a rainbow. It moves as you move. Rainbows can appear during the day or at night when there's moonlight and rain. There are even special rainbows called fog bows that look white and ghostly. Every time you see a rainbow, remember, it's science doing something magical. So remember, sunshine plus rain equals rainbow magic with 7 amazing colors. And that's the wow behind the how of rainbow. Thanks for watching the How and Wow Know. But wait, do you know why the sky is blue? Or what makes lightning? If you loved learning today, tap the like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe so you never miss our next amazing science adventure. The How and Wow Know, where curiosity turns into wow.